Well, good afternoon, everybody. How are we feeling? Excited? Middle of the afternoon? Well, I'm excited to be up here. My name is Deb Doss, and I work for a really cool software company called Encompass. If you haven't heard of us, you'll hear from us very soon because we are helping the largest banks in the world automate their KYC, Know Your Customer Journey, so they can support what's called the Corporate Digital Identity. But before I get into that, I do have just a question for the crowd, and I'll take volunteers. Who can share with me how many days on average it takes for a large bank to onboard a new corporate customer, not a consumer, but a corporate customer? How many days does that take for onboarding? Okay, 30 days over here. Who else has a guess? 3 months. 3 months? Okay. Thank you. That's actually the closest answer. Our largest clients tell us it takes on average 95 days to onboard a corporation. And of those 95 days, 3 weeks are spent just on KYC because those processes are manual. And those manual processes are necessary to collect on average about 100 documents to populate 150 or 200 data points. This is painful. And the costs of this are enormous. There are errors. Documents are missing. And the banks never really get 100% confidence that they're actually reducing all the risk to avoid money laundering and other types of fraud. The worst part is the impact this has on the front office, on the customers, customer dissatisfaction. If you contrast this to the experience any of you would have if you were sitting in this room right now, as you are, if you wanted to open, let's say, a checking account right now, you'd go to your smartphone, you'd go to your favorite bank, you'd request an account, that KYC process would be done almost instantly, and you'd probably be approved for a checking account before I finish this presentation. Now imagine if there was technology that could allow a large corporation to have a similar experience with their bank. Well, I am so excited because that is possible today. Encompass provides software to help the banks produce a corporate digital identity. We do that because we are allowing the automatic collection of all the public data necessary for your due diligence for a customer while giving you a secure way to collect the private sensitive information. And putting that all together, you get the CDI profile. But the profile is just part of the story. CDI is really a system, and you all have systems at your companies. This system is what's responsible for what I just mentioned, going out to all of the public data sources, state registries, premium data sources, for example, while also giving you a secure portal so you can reach out to your prospective clients and your existing clients to get the documents you need from them, the private docs, once, without bothering them for the same documents over and over and over again over email, right? But it goes further. The benefits go further than that. You can deduplicate, you can normalize the data, and most importantly, you can achieve what you're trying to do. Get a full understanding of the hierarchy of your customer, what stake each person has in the company, so you can understand the beneficial ownership, getting that full picture. Once you've got that full picture, you've got the full CDI profile, which you can then send to your downstream systems like your customer lifecycle management systems. Now, there are many benefits to this, right? I mentioned a couple of them. Of course, we want to help you be compliant. Operationally, if you look at the middle, the operations team will thank you. Our largest customers are saving tens of millions of dollars of cost thanks to automation for the operations team, and it gets even better. If you look at the front office, the sales teams at a bank can focus on what they're doing best because now there is no more friction between the sales team and the KYC team. The sales team can focus on onboarding new customers faster to reduce the time of transaction and the time to trade. So that impacts the front office by millions of dollars a year. But you don't just have to take my word for it, right? If you talk to our clients today, they will tell you it is thanks to Encompass that they're automating all of the KYC searches. It is thanks to Encompass that they're reducing the time it takes to onboard new clients. It is thanks to Encompass they're able to fight financial crimes by getting the full picture fast. If you want to learn more, please come see me. Check us out. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.